Okay guys, you're once more welcome to Crypto Danny. I want to claim our daily Cipher, and by that we'll claim our 1 million hamster combat coin using today's code. Today's code is DEX, DEX. D is X, X for xylophone, DEX. So let's go guys and claim this our 1 million hamster combat coin. Okay, so D is hold dot dot hold dot dot. E is dot, then X is hold dot dot hold. So that's the daily Cipher for today. If you're not following me, please follow me on my YouTube, Facebook, and if you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do so. And if you appreciate my videos, please like, comment, and also share so that it can get to more audience just like it has reached you. Thank you for following me, and God bless you.